Hi everyone, welcome to Food Splendor once more. Austin here with another easy breakfast recipe. Now this one is just one frankfurter, 2 eggs and some salt and pepper. All I'm gonna do is cut the frankfurter lengthwise and then cut it some smaller pieces crosswise, about 1/4 of an inch thick. Then I'm gonna separate the eggs, the white from the yolk, and then I beat those, and then I'm gonna fry them separately with the sausage causing the separation. So just watch and you'll see. One of the easiest breakfast. So add a little salt and pepper to both egg yolk if you choose, both egg yolk and egg white if you choose, and then we'll just go ahead and complete this easy recipe. So the first thing I'm pouring is the egg white over to the left hand side of the shape that I have made, kind of like a half moon shape, but I also had to tilt the frying pan so that the egg white does not seep over into the right side of my shape. Then I added, after the egg white is hardened, I added the egg yolk. Now the egg yolk is a little bit less, so all of it will hold within the circle or within the half of the circle area. And then just leave that for about 3 to 5 minutes to harden, then take it out and your breakfast is ready. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.